Hey, everybody, this is Dr. Jane Kamal streaming live from Long Island, New York, where the weather is really pretty nice.
Very nice.
Very
Not
nice.
not crypto. Crypto's like got
What
beat
did
up
you,
today.
what did you do today? Did you get outdoors?
Yes, we went to the park. I took my kids out.
Good. I went to eat out. We sat outdoors. I had my grandson. He came back from camp.
Yeah, my kids they like to do bird sighting. We take binoculars and we watch birds.
You know that Chat GPT will identify the bird from the tweet.
Wow, that's impressive.
Or this is certainly an app that'll do that. So
Wow,
if you want to know what the bird is, just download that app.
interesting.
What does Linus have to say? Oh, he's had a bad day today.
Back on ramen noodles.
Linus, we all had a bad day today.
Well, I bought a lot of shares today. I bought a lot. mstr. I bet.
Well, at least you didn't suffer the portfolio loss that I suffered today. You know, because I have a pretty big, large portfolio.
Yeah, I start buying like midday. I thought it was, the correction is over, but it kept correcting and correcting. So
I nibbled on crypto all day into the close.
yeah,
Into the close, and I like where it closed. I like where Ether closed.
I think uh, I think I think this is it as far as correction. I spoke about this yesterday that we're gonna have this type of correction, and I think this is it.
Well, I drew the line perfect right in the middle of that big green candle, you know, for ETH.
Let's see the lines, man. Let's see the
All right,
lines.
let's get to it. Proof is in the pudding, right?
That's right. Proof is in the lines.
Proof is in the pudding. The proof is in the pudding. I'll go to the other browser because this browser is messed up. Start with Bitcoin. I drew the line down here at 111 and change. Let's see where it stopped. Try to slide it over. Pretty close, right?
Yeah, with the
Pretty
wick,
close. A
probably.
little bit above where. Very close. I mean, if it stops
Black
here,
line is what?
you got to give me credit if it stops here, right? As being correct.
I give you all the credit as
Close.
long as it doesn't hit the 200.
Close. I look right underneath that 111 candle. We got the 100 moving average. So we got two supports areas. I think it holds up right in this area. I'll add a little more in the morning if it's down, and then I don't know. Then that's about it. If it breaks 100, I'll just sit it out. Let's take a look at
So what do you
Ethereum.
think?
I
You
think I
think?
nailed that one.
Yeah,
Look at Ethereum. Didn't I nail that one?
impressive.
Yeah, right. I drew the line right in the middle of that green candle. Nailed it. I mean, provided that's the bottom. We don't know. It could
We don't
go
know yet.
lower.
Could you click on
We
the
don't
one
know
month
yet.
on this chart? Could you click on the 1 month?
Sure.
I just want to see those two red candles. So it went below those two red candles. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Let's see what else
Cool.
I got. Let's look at the macro. Now, Bitcoin usually leads. So Bitcoin already went down 10%, even more. So if Bitcoin goes down 10, this should go down 5, something like that from the high. What the hell was the high? I don't even know. You know what the high on SPY was? 639. So
I think
what
it
would
was 640.
5% be? 640. So 64 divided by 2 is 32. So that would be 608. Where would that take us to?
646 was the 52-week high. 646, sorry.
Oh, 646.
Correct.
So 32 from 646 would be, wait a second, 32 from 646 would be 14, right? 614. That's right about, it's a little lower.
But that's a
Right
different type of
about,
correction. But that's a different
right.
type of correction. The correction today was mainly crypto, not in the entire
I
market.
know, but crypto usually leads, doesn't it? So I
I don't
figure
know.
if crypto goes down 10%, this might go down 5. That's what I'm thinking. So let's take a look one more time at crypto. It went down from 125 to like 112, 13 points, 10%.
Mm-hmm.
So half of 10%, I figure, which is 5%. 5% of 640 is 646. What did you tell me?
646, yes.
So subtract 32 from 646, you get 614. I'll draw that in. See, I mean, this is very, very rough.
Right.
It's all a guess. But what the hell, it's as good a guess as any.
Right.
Right in there, 614. See, I drew the line right there. It's actually not a bad place to draw the line. How much lower would it have to go? Would 614, quite a bit lower. But you could get there in a couple of days, the way this market is. Well, really, it hasn't been that volatile, but it could be. So it's like a coiled spring. It might come down quickly and then come up quickly.
So you
I'd
think
rather,
you think crypto is leading the correction?
it usually does. So it's possible. And I think Bitcoin will turn around. So it'll be a quick correction. Maybe we don't go down as low as I drew it, Maybe we go down another 10 points on SPY and crypto stabilizes. That's how I see it. This one is a disaster already, right? MicroStrategy. You kept buying this, right?
I kept
I
buying
did
this,
too.
and my average now is like 354 and a half.
I don't know what my average is. It's lower, I think. Maybe not. Did it
Yes,
go
I
down?
think this will hit the 200, but it went way below the 200.
Yeah, so maybe 316 I drew in. I don't know why. Oh yeah, it looks like some support. Right around there. 316, that's another 20 points down. Could
But
happen.
you see that red candle? If you see where it stops today, it's in the middle of that green candle.
I see that.
Like there was a nice green candle.
This one,
Yep,
yeah,
that's the one.
from April 22nd.
Yesterday, I
Yeah.
was thinking it's gonna fill up the gap above it. It did, and went into half that green candle.
Good place to stop.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too.
If not, I think 316. If it doesn't stop here, 316.
Let's see.
To me, BMRN is the analog of mstr. Very analogous. And
I
it
bought a lot of
stopped in
shares
a
of
good
this one
place.
too.
It could go down a little more. I got this line drawn in at support at 56.41. Almost there, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to buy more at 56.41 when it touches. I think it'll touch.
You're
And
talking
this one is a
56 or
mistake.
46? You say 56 or 46?
50, 40, I don't remember.
46 you're talking about.
50, no, 5.6, 5.6. Support at 5.6.
For which one? For bmnr?
Yeah, don't you see this line? 5.647. I think it's good support, that line.
Dr.
You
J,
got 1, 2, 3, 4 hits, 5 hits.
no. Dr. J, could you do Control R, please?
Oh, I'm in biomarin.
Exactly. You're a different. This does not make any sense to me.
This is the one that I did by mistake last time. I purposely did it this time because I'm interested in maybe buying it at 56.47, whatever. This is the one that we've been buying.
Yeah, that
right
makes
here.
more sense. Yeah. You see that gap?
And
It filled that gap nicely.
I see that. So maybe we're done going down.
That's what I called that yesterday as well. I said it might fill that gap.
It might be a perfect place to add.
Well, I did today, but my average is like 51.
Like I said, I think crypto moves first and stops going down first. There'll be a lag. Crypto will go up or sideways, and SPY will continue on down a little. And then they'll all go up.
My average is 51 and a half exactly.
A lot of uncertainty surrounding the war, war in Europe, war in the Middle East, a lot of uncertainty now.
You think it's related to the crypto? I don't know.
I think so. I mean, it was suddenly a lot of Vladimir Putin and a lot of Volodymyr Zelensky. A lot of that news stuff may not be good medicine for the market, unless something positive comes out of it. So far, it's nothing that positive.
Could you check Palantir, PLTR?
Sure. You own that, right?
I bought it today at 161. It had a gap. It filled the gap. I thought this is it, but it went below. You see that big fat gap?
Looks like a good place that it stopped at.
Yeah.
Eyeballing it. Did you draw a trend line on this?
Well, I was mainly interested in filling the gap, and I thought that was a good time to buy.
Yeah. It looks like it's more or less on the trend line. More or less.
I see.
So it just crossed the trend line today, right? Still touching. It's a good place to stop. It looks like a lot of support there.
I think so.
All right, we'll call it. I mean, we did good. We did a lot of stuff. We don't have to go on forever, poor people. All right. As always, do your own due diligence. Good luck trading. Remember that stocks go up and stocks go down. What else? What other great advice do we have for people? Future
I think
thoughts?
it's time to add, in my opinion. I think
I
if you have
agree. I'm going to be
cash,
adding more Bitcoin.
it's time to add.
I'm gonna do what I did today. Buy more mstr, buy more bmnr, more ethv, all of that stuff. Maybe
Cool.
IBIT. Adios amigos and ciao.
Take care. Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe. Come on, tell everybody to subscribe, to give us a like. There we go. Ciao.